Alright, so what I'm doing now, I'm just layering these however I want to. I'm not a hairstylist, okay? I do my hair. So many people up here come up here and do their hair the way they want to do their hair. I push my cap back some, but I'm gonna have to fill in these areas. If you see me look to the side, it's because I'm working from home. So I'm trying to do my hair in between working. So I probably put like one track here because it's like a small gap. And you know, when hair fly back, it's like, what is that brown thing? That's why I be trying to get black caps, but the stores don't never have black caps. Yeah, put like some tracks right here. That's easy to cover up. But what I'm doing right now is I'm laying these in the back across. So this was curved, and as you can see, this is like going just like that. I'm going to go across. This is just to fill in the sides, because sometimes I notice that my sides be not as full for some reason. So with this, I'm just going straight across, just like that. I'm not curving, I'm just going straight across. So just glue this down straight across. That's what I'm going to do. It's going to go all the way up. Not too worried about that. Section to fill in. I'll just put in some tracks, like starting like here. It's probably like where my fingers are. I'll probably take like 2 more tracks right here, because this right here is real close to the part.
But I'm just gonna put two tracks and bloop right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing to that side. If you want to put like a track there before you put 2 tracks here, you can do that. But I'm not. Well, this side don't. This other side I already got that right here. But if it
Alright, so once you go in and cut as much as you can, it'll come out looking like this. In the morning, I'm gonna cut layers, and I don't know what I'm gonna do, but this I'm not gonna take out till the morning. I'm flat iron and everything. So in the morning I'll finish recording. This hair is long, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll be back in the morning.
Wow.